We got eastbound freight coming. Fail. Westbound freight coming on track 1 here with CP 8818 leading. Just past Wauwatosa, so it should be here shortly. And it's a single leader, so let's see if it's gonna be able to make it past here without stalling. Hopefully it will. In case you're wondering why I zoomed into the track there earlier, I don't know if the camera picked it up well, but if you look closely, you can see the wheels bending the rails there. Now those rails, from what I've heard, weigh about 100 and something pounds. Thick steel, and that's bending on the weight of the train, of the cars it's rolling on. So that should just go to show how much these things really weigh. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and congratulations CPKC for not stalling on this track here.